even if the devotee ditch you, abuse you, criticize you, even if he slaps you, never, 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 never ever leave the association of devotees. Hare Krishna. So can we see Krishna in this life? So first we need to understand that we are in the clutches of Maya, and until we don't come out of this, we cannot see Krishna with these material defected eyes. Even the Arjuna, he was also given the spiritual vision, Divya Drishti, to see the Vishwarup of Krishna. As we know, the water with different densities doesn't mix together. If you mix the oil with water, they doesn't mix. Why? Because they have different densities. Like this, Krishna is totally flawless. He is totally pure, and we are contaminated by lust, greed, anger, attachment, envy, pride. So until we don't break these things, we doesn't wash out ourselves, we cannot meet Krishna. Prahlad Maharaj is saying, I am attracted towards the Lord just like the iron got attracted towards the magnet. So this is his quality. But we as a Jeev, why we don't attract towards the Krishna? The reason being that we are rusted, and only through Krishna consciousness we can remove this rust. There are few set of rules which we really need to follow if we are really interested in spiritual advancement and to meet Krishna. So first, give up all of your material desires and generate the desire to serve the Lord. Second, use all of your senses in service of Krishna, like speak about Krishna, hear about Krishna, see Krishna, and have the smell of the flowers and the foods offered to the Krishna. Third is reading our scriptures, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Prabhupada Leelamrita. There are so many books our Acharya has given us, and Srila Prabhupada also emphasized too much on book reading and book distribution. So we really need to do this. Fourth one is chanting holy name of the Krishna. In this Kali Yuga, only chanting of the holy name of the Krishna can liberate us or save us from the clutches of Maya. Naam Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Ras Vigraha means this holy name has all the potency. It is like a nectar, but as we are suffering from the disease of ignorance, we cannot relish the taste. Sixth one, and the very important, very important, is the association of devotees. Whatever the situation is, even if the devotee ditch you, abuse you, criticize you, even if he slaps you, never ever leave the association of devotees. Because if you leave the association of devotees, then your bhakti life, your spiritual life will be finished. So Krishna is also saying in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 9th chapter, verse number 27. What does Krishna says? Yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurush madarpadam. Means Krishna is saying, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever austerities you perform, do it, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. Further Krishna says in next verse, that is verse number 28, Shubha Shubh Phalerevam Moksha se karma bandhane Sannyas Yog Yuktatma Vimukte Mamu Paishyasi. In this way, you will be freed from the bondage to work, its auspicious and inauspicious results, and by fixing the mind upon me, you will be liberated and come to me. So Krishna is giving guarantee. Why we need to worry? And we are under the shelter of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Srila Prabhupada. So we should never worry. Once a devotee asked Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, can I go back to Godhead after this life? Srila Prabhupada has said that yes, if you follow the 4 regulative principles and chant the 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day, you will definitely go back to Godhead. Then that devotee said, Prabhupada, is Krishna so cheap? Prabhupada just smashed the table and said, if you will follow this set of rules, then you will see Krishna face to face in this life only. So these 4 regulative principles, this is the basic which we have to follow. Anyhow, no meat eating, no illicit sex, no gambling, and no intoxication. Once after the lecture, Srila Prabhupada has said, if you will become 90% Krishna conscious, you will definitely go back to Godhead. And there was a silence in the hall. So Prabhupada has said, okay, if you will become 80% Krishna conscious, then you will go back to Godhead. Then few devotees said, chai, but still there was a silence. So Srila Prabhupada has said, okay, 70% final. So if you will become 70% Krishna conscious, you will go back to Godhead. Then devotees said, Jai. So when Srila Prabhupada was going after the lecture, one devotee came and said, Prabhupada, if I will not become even a 70% Krishna conscious, then what happened to me? Then you know what Prabhupada has said? Prabhupada has said, just hold my dhoti. I have a backdoor key of Golok Dham. So Srila Prabhupada is very, very, very merciful, and we are under the shelter of Srila Prabhupada. So we should not worry that whether we can see Krishna or not. Srila Prabhupada will definitely take us to his abode. So we should chant Hare Krishna, we should follow the regulative principles, and we should follow the points I have told you. So there is no doubt that we will see Krishna in this life only. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.